everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I finally have that unboxing video for you guys. My bag finally came in, and just in time for Mother's Day. I am going to say that this is my Mother's Day present for me, from me, and it is the beautiful Florentine medium satchel in the color pale blue. If you're interested to check this bag out with me, just keep on watching. So this bag came in, I want to say a couple of days ago, and my sweet mail lady, whom I went to school with, is very good about not leaving any boxes or anything at my house when she knows that she comes around the time that I'm not here. She knows my work schedule and knows, you know, when I'm here, when my son's here, when, you know, so she was really nice and sweet to go over to my work and take me this box. And so when she showed up, I was really surprised because I have never ordered a bag on pre-order, so I had no idea what to expect or how long it was going to take. And I am not very good at looking at my emails, so I'm sure I got an email, you know, letting me know it was on its way, but of course I never see that, so I didn't get to see it. But anyway, this is the medium satchel in the color pale blue. I did order it pre-order, as I said, and although I have been seeing a lot of pictures online, I've never seen this color in person. And I do have a medium Florentine satchel in the color Aqua, and I did bring that over here so that we can compare the two colors, because I have a feeling it's going to be very similar in colors. So we will compare the two after we get into this box. So without further ado, let's get into it. I like to do true unboxings when I can. So I'm really excited about this color and about this bag. They did have the salmon on pre-order the last time I checked, and I did not pull the trigger. Can you believe that? I think it's because I have a salmon double tassel satchel bag that pretty much resembles this medium Florentine satchel. Oh, I can already see the color, you guys. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. And of course this mule leather is so smooth and so soft, and I can tell that it's the same leather, and it's gorgeous. I'm gonna have to turn this light down. Oh, look at what I got. I got a little duck. How cute is that? I'm gonna have to turn this light down, and I hope it's not too dark. I really hate that I'm filming so late in the day, because I feel like you guys might not be able to see these true colors, and I want to make sure that they come up on screen, because I don't want to have to film this again tomorrow. I really want to get this up. This is really cute. I hadn't gotten one of these, and I had been ordering quite a bit lately, but I hadn't gotten one. Medium satchel pale blue, and it was, oh, I got it on sale. I think it was the 20% off or 25% off or whatever. It was $328.50 plus taxes. It come out to $354.44, which is better than the $428 or whatever it is now. She is beautiful, you guys, and I apologize if you can't see this color good. I'm going to stand up eventually so you can see it better, because somehow I feel like when I'm this far away, maybe you can't see the color. I hope you can see it, because it is gorgeous. I haven't pulled out that Aqua, and I'm waiting to pull it out. so that we can compare both colors. You know me and my smells. I have to smell this bag, or all leather bags. I have to smell them, and this smells absolutely yummy. Qué bonito color. It's absolutely beautiful, you guys. Look at that. Take a minute to look at this beautiful color. It looks like a baby boy's baby blue nursery. You know what I mean? That pale powder blue. That, oh, how pretty. Oh my gosh. This is a beautiful color, you guys. Maybe it will be different than the Aqua. And it is that softer leather, but I like it. It reminds me of my baby pink small satchel. I always bring that up because I have a satchel that I bought a long time ago, and it is like that. So this is beautiful with the contrast brown stitching. I think that is so pretty. And the gold tone hardware. Oh my goodness. She is gorgeous, you guys. So this is the beautiful pale blue satchel, you guys. She is in absolutely perfect condition. That is kind of the good thing about this smoother leather that they're doing now, is that it's pretty much always flawless in that it's smooth. Unless I have heard some people say that sometimes their bags come like part pebbled. I actually used to see that a lot with the older Florentine leather. Because this is different. This is different. And it's, you know, it's a lot smoother, I think. This one smells yummy. It smells a lot better than my taupe. This is kind of washing it out a little bit. In person, oh, in person she is absolutely beautiful, you guys. Beautiful, beautiful. She looks really pretty with that reddish burgundy contrast zipper right here. And it's your basic medium satchel, you know. I'm not gonna do a whole review on this bag. I just want to kind of compare the colors. I am gonna go get my Aqua so we can compare the two colors. I am back. This is my Aqua medium Florentine satchel. The leather feels pretty much a little bit, it pretty much feels the same. I don't see a big difference. This bag did have a little flaw in it, and I don't even see it anymore. That is really weird. Oh, there it is. Has a little tiny flaw right here. Do you see that? I don't know what that is. I bought it that way. And that did kind of bother me. It does kind of bother me. I'm a Virgo, so you know us Virgo picky people. But other than that, she's smooth and she's flawless and she's beautiful. But of course, this is my Aqua, and let's compare it with that baby blue. This is the baby blue. Okay, if you looking at them in person, I feel like the Aqua has a little bit more, it's a little deeper, a little tiny bit darker. And if you see the two colors together, I don't know if you can see that, but one is slightly darker, and that is the Aqua, which is this one. And then this is the baby, not baby blue, pale blue. So there is a slight difference. I don't know if some people would think you know, there's a big enough difference to consider owning both of them. Of course, I'm going to keep both of them, but this one is slightly darker. I don't think you can really see it, especially because I am filming so late at night and I am depending on my ring light, and it's either too bright or not bright enough, and I can't get good lighting right now. And I hate that I couldn't do this earlier for you guys, but my lighting is always bad regardless. But anyway, this is the pale blue. This is the aqua. And I hope you can see the difference, because I can. Maybe this is a little bit better right there. It's darker, okay. And this one kind of looks like a grayish white on the camera, but it really isn't. It's like a powder baby blue. It is gorgeous, you guys, and I am very happy to own both. This is the comparison between the Aqua medium Florentine satchel and the pale blue. I hope this was helpful to a lot of you guys that own the Aqua and aren't sure if you want to go ahead and purchase the pale blue. I don't know if it's a big difference to where I would consider owning both. I do know that I love this. I am not sending it back. It is, to me, it is a different color. This is a lot darker than this one, and it may not show very much on camera, but in person I do see where this has like a brownish, I don't know, a brownish blue. I do not own a dusty blue, so I don't know how that one would compare, but I kind of have a feeling that that one's kind of similar as well. So I hope this was helpful, like I said, and I love it. If you missed out on the Aqua bag and you love the color, this would be a perfect, I don't want to say replacement for it, because it, like I said, it is a little bit different. It's lighter, but it is beautiful, and I do recommend it. I am very happy I purchased this. I'm excited, it's gorgeous, and I am going to keep it. So thank you so much for watching, you guys, and thank you so much to all my new subscribers. I am thrilled to have you, and I hope to do more videos pretty soon. See you next time.